So, what's up guys? Maglalaro na pala tayo ng Jujutsu Shenanigans. Ewan ko kung ano i-pronounce. Ano siya? Ito, how to do a black flash in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Ewan ko. Jujutsu Shenanigans. I don't know what is the name. Just get awaken in Gojo. Then you spawn a dummy. Yeah, spawn a dummy. Just wait. Yan, spawn a dummy. Yes, wait. Huh? Go to Bethel. Yeah, just wait. Yes, wait. I'm going to climb in the tallest tower in the game. Yeah, because I want. Almost there. Nabalo na ako. Almost there. I'm gonna die. Oh, geez, that's crazy. Damn. Last time I installed this CapCut. There's so many videos. If you want some more, go to para sa gamer. This one is just click 3, then special R, then F1. That is so easy. Just do it. I have some glitch. Did you see that? I have glitch. Just wait. I'm going to click. Just glitch. Done. That is the black flash. Thank you.